Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are well. In this video you will find over 100 design ideas. These shelf designs are very trendy and modish these days. These hanging wall shelves are the key to have a neat and organized house. These kinds of shelves, as we know, are very popular nowadays. They are functional and add aesthetic value to rooms at the same time. A room with this kind of shelves inside will have a new look for sure. Take a look at their house. You find different designs in this video. They give a sleeker and cleaner look to a room. You can store your things like books by piling up the books in order based on their writers, alphabetically titles, etc. Or you can just put them just like that so people can see the titles and writers like the ones you see in a bookstore. Having a tiny room won't be a problem anymore since you can use the spare space of your empty walls to hang this kind of shelves. You don't have to use floor to put shelves. You know that you can buy great materials for your hanging wall shelves to make them long lasting. Either buying the materials or you just make use of the unused materials in your storeroom. It's all up to you. Make sure the materials are good in quality. With your creativity, you can make your hanging wall shelves beautiful and long-lasting. These shelf designs are so stronger than you think. They are not fragile as long as you choose the best quality of shelf materials and the way to install is correct. If you want to decor your home walls with shelf designs, you will find different designs in this video and you can choose your own choice. You will have such strong hanging wall shelves that you can even store heavy things inside. Having boring walls is suck. Installing this kind of shelves will solve your problem. You can place different plants in their wall shelves. Make sure the colors of the shelves are interesting and fit well with the walls. They will definitely make room look beautiful and stylish. In your room, you can hang them right on the wall behind your bed, above the headboard. On the shelves, you can put on your family photographs. In your living room, it will be great if you can show your collections of anything on the shelves over your TV set. The shelves can be in different size but with the same color. Again, it takes your creativity to install this kind of shelves. In a dining room, you can hang one thick long shelf with the color that fits the dining room well, where you can put on plates, dirty glasses, etc. Well, everywhere you hang hanging wall shelves in your house, the house will have a great look. It is great if you find the article about hanging wall shelves beneficial. This video is very beautiful designs contains. If you design your home, the prime reason that is your floating mount of shelves. Adding shelves would be for improving the ambience of your living room. For this purpose, three square and U-shaped wooden shelves would be one of the best options. You could install these shelves according to your taste, which would increase the charm of your house. Your house looking so beautiful and attractive. The best use of these is effective use of these shelves is the viable space in your house. Corner shelf wall mount would be the best option for this purpose. In a smaller house or in a kitchen, every space is important. Thus, installing this item would help the user in effectively using the corner space, which would be ignored generally. These designs of new shelves are added by video are very common these days. Please watch my video at the end. Meanwhile, you will find different design ideas in this video. This video contains 100 design ideas for you. I hope this video is very best for you. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.